Alrighty, Aaron here again with Aaron's Tech Corner, and this is the RoadStage audio kit installed now on the driver's side inner door card. And last time I was just saying I was going to go ahead and do this really quick after I laid it all out. I timed myself and it took 7 minutes, and that 7 minutes was actually even with me making a few modifications and some notes for the designers of this kit. So really, it's about a 5-minute install, which is great because you didn't have to cut anything. You just went ahead and cleaned it and applied it and called it a day. So now you can see all these pieces are nicely stuck to the door outline in here, the middle, the top here, and yeah, this piece is significantly heavier now. Not that you can tell weight, but yeah, it's heavier. It's definitely got some heft to it. All right, so now the next step will be doing the actual door panel itself. So we'll move on to that. Thanks for watching.